Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with more work from home job leads. I've discussed in one of my videos before, but as we are in back to school time, companies will be ramping up hiring to make sure they are staffed for the holiday season ahead. They mainly hire in like the August-September timeframe. That gives them time to get people hired and trained and ready to go for the October, November, December holiday season. So today we have 5 huge retailers that are hiring work from home customer service reps. Now, this is unfortunately for my United States folks only. My international folks, I hear you in the comments. I am actively searching for jobs for you that are hiring worldwide. But these 5 huge retailers are United States based, and so they are only hiring in the United States. And within that, some of these do have state restrictions, which is why I lumped them all together in one video. I didn't want to not share and potentially not be helping someone out there just because it didn't appeal to all of the states. But as always, the links to all of these jobs that I discuss are in the description box below the YouTube video on YouTube, and I tried to note in that description box what states each one hires from the best that I could. But so today's video doesn't end up extremely long. Let's just dive on in. First up, we have the giant clothing and home retailer JCPenny. They are hiring a remote care support associate. Now, the location on this is marked Columbus, Ohio. However, in their description, it does not specifically state that that's the only place they hire from. So just know going in, it's possibly only for Ohio, but it's also possibly open to other states. Now, they are specifically looking for someone to provide customer service via telephone and other media sources to respond to customer inquiries ranging from merchandise support, placing orders, troubleshooting, de-escalating customer issues, and you may also have to assess the needs and suggest alternative products and services to help drive sales. You'll communicate with customers regarding ability of merchandise, shipping information, method of payment, transportation charges like shipping charges, and other cost of previous orders. You'll research charges and adjustments on previous orders, and you'll handle interactions with the customers in an efficient and empathetic manner. So some of the required qualifications are they need someone who has general computer skills and can use multiple tabs and windows at the same time, someone who has previous customer service experience, and someone who has access to reliable internet connection and a quiet working space in your home. They're also looking for someone who has excellent verbal communication skills, strong writing skills, and the ability to understand and professionally communicate with customers. Now, they do pay very well. Pay range is anywhere from $16.50 an hour all the way up to $20.63 an hour. Of course, pay is going to be dependent on location and experience. They also offer a benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, term life, paid vacations, 401k. Next up, we have the athletic clothing company Lululemon. They are hiring a work-from-home GEC educator for the United States. Now, unfortunately, they only hire from about 13 states. They are listed here. They are also listed down in the description box below. Those are Arizona, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Louisiana, Michigan, Minnesota, Nevada, North Carolina, Ohio, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, and Texas. And so for this position, you will be working from home, delivering world-class guest experience through all of their channels, not only including phone, but email, chat, and other future channels. I am personally a shopper of Lululemon, and a lot of people do use the chat function on the website. You'll resolve guest concerns and inquiries quickly and have a sense of urgency. You will get them taken care of as fast as you can. You'll achieve personal quality and efficiency targets, and you'll be responsible for maintaining a high level of knowledge on Lululemon policies, procedures, product education, and guest experience. Lululemon likes to deliver that you are the only customer experience to each individual customer. So they are looking for someone who is resourceful and solution-oriented with excellent problem-solving skills, someone who has a 1 year of customer service experience, someone who can provide exceptional customer service skills, including excellent verbal and written communication. You need to have the ability to have direct conversations and resolve guest inquiries over the phone. If you can navigate multiple conversations at once over chat, and someone who has advanced computer skills and knowledgeable in Microsoft Office. And a high school diploma is required for this one, but no college degree. Now, one thing to note with this one, you will have to have your own computer to complete training, but after your training is complete and you pass the training, they'll provide you a computer for you to do your own work from home. Now, if you look at the schedule listed down below, it looks like they do both offer part-time and full-time positions, and their shift ranges from 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, so you'll have to convert that to your own time zone. Now, they also pay very well. Starting pay is anywhere from $15.45 an hour and can go all the way up to $24.50 an hour, and they also offer benefit packages. Next up, we have the online furniture retailer Wayfair. They are hiring a work-from-home customer service consultant. Now, with this one, I could not find any state restrictions listed, but they are looking for someone to handle a high volume of calls, estimated 50 to 60 calls per shift, in a fast-paced environment providing customer service. It says you'll have little downtime in this position. They're looking for someone to demonstrate reliability, attendance, and commitment to your shift is important. Someone who can engage customers, who has a passion for helping people. You will have to de-escalate customer concerns. Most customers contact them if they have a problem. If people's orders are going smoothly, you normally don't contact customer support, and you need to be able to multitask. Now, they do pay $15 an hour, and they have increases as early as 6 months. So this one is a little bit lower on the pay scale. However, they do offer quarterly performance bonuses of up to $2,000, and they also offer health, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off. Now, they do require you to be at least 18 years or older and have a high school diploma. It says you'll be required to hardwire your computer and modem, so Wi-Fi is not allowed, but they will provide the computer equipment and accessories like headsets that are needed for you. All right, moving right along, everyone knows Victoria's Secret, the lingerie store that is in almost every mall across America. They are hiring seasonal customer service representatives to work from home. Now, they are only hiring from 4 states. Candidates must reside in Tennessee, Georgia, Texas, or South Carolina. Their customer service specialist will help customers with ordering, sizing, checking availability, and navigating the website. You could also be responsible for taking incoming calls, emails, or chats from customers regarding lost packages, exchanges, returns, shipping information, billing, and a variety of other questions. So the base pay for this is really on the lower side, starts at $13 an hour, but they do offer a 10% shift differential for evening and weekend hours worked on Saturday and Sunday. Now, they are looking for someone who will live the brand's values in their day-to-day interaction with the customer, someone who will utilize selling skills to help upsell to the customer, someone who will resolve customer issues and use negotiation skills, and someone who can enter information accurately into the computer database. They do want someone who has customer service experience and someone who can pass a background check. Now, they do have a few perks that come with this position. Even though the pay is a little bit lower, if you are a frequent shopper of Victoria's Secret, you can get up to a 40% employee discount on all products. And they also give you holiday pay for 9 of their recognized holidays. And it says, of course, their business is open 24/7, so they have a variety of shifts to choose from. And last but not least, we have QVC, the huge online retailer and phone order retailer, hiring customer service specialists. Now, this does say it is for Columbia, so I am not sure. They do not actually list any state restrictions. So this one, again, you will have to check if you're interested in. I'm not sure if this position is only for South Carolina or if they're open to other states. but you will be taking inbound calls from customers, working with ordering, confirming refunds, taking payments, helping them place orders, analyzing account data, just anything the customer needs. Now, they are looking for someone who's a problem solver and who can de-escalate situations, someone who can learn and work in a virtual environment, someone who can multitask and navigate multiple systems easily. Available to work weekends, and right here I misspoke. You can reside in Florida, North Carolina, South Carolina, Texas, Virginia, or Boise, Idaho area. Now, the pay for this starts at $15 an hour, and they give automatic increases every 6 months for 2 years until you get up to the $17 an hour mark. They do also offer benefit package including medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. Now, unfortunately, you do have to provide your own computer and headset. They will reimburse you up to $75 for a headset, but they do not provide the equipment for you. They do also offer 5 weeks of paid training. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.